I'm Nick Winder with the Winder's Woodshop, and today we're going to make a coffee scoop. I really like turning coffee scoops because they're cheap and easy to make. You can pick up these little scoops from Rockler for about $10. The blank I'm using is just cherry wood I got from my sister-in-law's house. I also like doing coffee scoops because there's no set design to them. You can just let the creativity flow and kind of come up with whatever you want. We'll probably do something pretty simple today. We're going to go to the drill press. We'll drill a hole in the end of this for 1/4 inch, which will accept that. And then we're going to turn it between centers. Alright, we're going to go ahead and drill the 1/4 inch hole. We're going to go down a little bit of ways. Some of this will get cut off at the top, so it's better to go a little bit deeper. Anything you don't need, it just gives the place for the epoxy to go later on. Thinking that should be good enough. Let's grab our scoop. And yeah, this could be a pretty good fit in there. Alright, we are all set up on the lathe in between centers. We're going to get it turned and then we'll see what we can come up with on this. See where we're at on this. I got a little bit of a flat spot still. A couple flat spots, we'll get those taken care of and then we'll go have some fun. Alright, it would appear there that we're pretty much round. Let's see if we can't put some fun little just codes and designs in this. I'm kind of liking the look of that. I think we'll start sanding it. We'll cut it off and then we'll probably spray lacquer it. For sanding, we're going to start at 150 and then just go through 600 grit. Alright, I'm thinking that's looking pretty good. We'll get it cut off and then we'll look into finishing. As you can see here, I didn't quite get that initial drill hole deep enough, so we're going to go back to the drill press and drill out just a little bit more. That should do it. I think on the sander I'm going to take this down a little bit Just make a little bit smoother transition in there. Alright, I got the bottom part cut off. We're just going to round this over some. And on this area, you can see I'm well off center too. We are going to just kind of round over the edges. Alright, we got the sandy done, we got it rounded over better. I like the transition there. Let's go ahead and spray lap it. Alright, we'll let that dry and then we'll go over it with 220 and we'll put on another coat here in a little bit. And again, you just want to make sure you mix the epoxy up really nice. This is just 5-minute epoxy. Alright. Just going to put a little bit around the base. Alright. And we will let that cure. Alright, the epoxy has cured. I'm thinking it's looking really pretty. So, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.